Shut up, stupid. Get off of my bed. Who's that at the door? Let me get up.
Yo, daddy.
Cribs, welcome to my palace. Alright guys, so first, this is the door. You just came through this right here. You turn here, this is the kitchen. So, this is where all the magic happens. We be going crazy on that stove. You know where it is, chefing it up. This is the counter. I'm not gonna go through everything, but you know, food, stuff, fridge. It be lit in here. Love this. Okay, so in this, we got all our seasonings, you know, not just the salt and pepper, but we got everything you need, everything you can think of. Listen here, this is the magic mirror. If you know about the magic mirror, then you know about the magic mirror. That's all I gotta say. Here, this, you know, this is where we get lit. This is where all our cups are, where we put our food, the mugs, you know. Listen here. Some pots, pans, oil, you know. A mess. Just Tupperware, you know. This is where we get our chow down utensils. And on to the best thing ever. Ooh. Look how many groceries we got, y'all. But guess what?
What?
This hood rat Rona done swept in town. We gotta move out. We brought all these groceries. And Rona's here, and we gotta move out. We got kicked out. We got evicted from our apartment. We thought we had an apartment, but it's really housing students. So, yeah, we gotta eat all this in the matter of 2 days. Our laundry unit, washer and dryer. Nothing special. This is what's special. Oscar! Called, but we just be setting stuff here. We got random stuff here. Some more things, champagne for breakfast, because we be lit. What's that? She believed, so she could, so she did. I think that's what that say. I don't have my glasses on. And then we got a candle stress relief because we stressed because of Rona. And our Christmas tree that stays up here all year long. And look who it is. Boom. This is where it really be lit at. If you know, then you know, then you know. Alright, so starting here, you know, table, side table, lamp, got a couch, some tapestry. What's y'all zodiac sign? Comment down below. Alright, then we just got some random dryer in here, you know. We just random in here. Table, chairs, beautiful scenery. Happy birthday. Once again, we always lit somebody's birthday all the time. Who knows? They just turned 2.
We could have been moving outside.
Yo. Alright, I don't know what to call this either, but this is where all our random stuff
It's the Hall of Fame.
We got some pictures. We got somebody's DNA, you know. This is just our friend table. How about that?
Shout out our friends.
Yeah, shout out to our friends, our athletes. You already know. Another tapestry and just fun.
Who made this Jenga?
Oh, this is our party Jenga. Let's see what these three say. Everybody drink, only girls drink.
Who made it?
Random. Me. There. Should I play Jenga real quick?
Yeah, let's see.
Which one should I do? I'm gonna pull out this one. Oh, I can't even pull that one out. Alright, I'm gonna pull out this way.
What'd it say?
Never have I ever.
Oh, that's your worst game.
Dun, 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 dun. Guys, sad because I'm about to rip all this stuff off the walls. So this is just the desk, you know, random stuff, calendar, books, school stuff, and yeah. Up here, just some pictures from home. Here is the bed, my beautiful bed. This stuff is just random stuff, plants. I love plants, I love elephants, and yeah, just lit. Some artwork. I have 2 mirrors on each side. I had one, but I needed 2. One wasn't enough. I need to look at myself some more. This is where my clothes are. I didn't even get to wear this because of Rona quarantine. I'm about to make a video with this in here. That's what I'm doing. Some sneakers that I need to wear, that I want to wear, that I like wearing. This is random shoes that I really don't care about, but I throw them on. My slip-on shoes. Dun, 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 my closet. Some sneakers at the top, shoes at the top, purses, mad purses. Y'all know I always keep a purse on me. To this side right here, I just got more jackets and stuff like that. More hoodies, clothes. It's just mad clothes in here, laundry basket, stuff like that.
More purses.
I think I should have wiped off my mirror. I didn't know y'all was coming though. Y'all done showed up surprise. This is my makeup. The makeup that I do wear, nail polishes, all my jewelry for the most part. Wash your hands, Rona out here. Lotion, soap, beauty products. Is that really beauty products? Skincare products, stuff like that. Cute little vanity. I got my elephant that. Is the bathroom next. I think this is my favorite part of the whole thing, kind of. One of my favorite. That's Phil, that's Lil, and that's Ill. This is just our little car. We got candles and stuff like that because we stink. Oh, me and Alani's adventures. Yeah, we're separated. This is crazy, Alani.
We're not separated.
This is all our fun that we had over 2 years. The last 2 years. This is really like a year.
Imagine if we had pictures from freshman year.
That'd be crazy. But yeah, here's our fun. This is right next to the bathroom. Yeah, I don't got nothing else to show y'all. I gotta pack, y'all gotta get out, so let's go. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. 5 minutes later, y'all.
Jeez.
Done.
I gotta wait for my load to finish. I'm gonna download and my bed load, and I'm done.
Corona out here. This is crazy. I'll keep y'all updated.
Let me see.
We moving out. If you wanna be my lover, gotta end with my friends. We really moving out of here.